Friends, share ko po sa inyo yung John Maxwell Daily Reader. So ano ba yung lesson today ni Sir John Maxwell, the leadership guru? So we'll talk about the law of priorities. So today, give your time only to things that pass the requirement, return, and reward test. So yun nga, yung lesson namin kahapon is about planning. Also sa pag-planning, goal setting. So one of our lessons is the 4 kinds of thinkers. So meron kasi tayo, di ba, na the spectator who just watch things happen. The spaghetti brain. So ang dami niyang goals. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung he does not accomplish anything kasi so many goals, kaya nga spaghetti brains. And then we have the obstacle seeker, no? Puro obstacle yung nakikita. So what we need are star shooter, yung who focus on the solution, who focus on the goal. So ganun din po, we have to, if we have 10 goals, out of the 10 we have to choose ano ba yung best or most things that you want to achieve. So hindi naman natin sinasabi na i-ignore mo, but you have to prioritize, which is the lesson for today. When we are busy, we naturally believe that we are achieving, but no, it does not equivalent, it's not equivalent to productivity. So yun nga, we have to identify ano ba yung, what do we want to happen in our lives right now. So yun na i-focus natin, doon tayo humanap ng action plans or resources, whether our talents or money or financial, di ba, to support itong goal na to. What must I do that nobody can and should do for me? So yan. So sabi nga, what gives the greatest return? So dapat aware tayo na ano ba yung strengths natin or our talents or our core competency, kasi yun yung makakatulong sa atin in the achievement of our goals. So sabi nga ni Brother Bo, di ba, Brother Bo Sanchez, so in the beginning of his entrepreneur journey, kung ano-anong business yung pinasok niya, hotdog, fishball, so yung mga food carts, but eventually nag-fold up siya. So saan ba siya naging successful? Communication, so yung mga magazines niya, seminars, kasi yun yung core competency niya, communication. So friend, find your core competency, what you are good at. Baka yun na magiging puhunan mo, or your financial abundance is your talent. So what brings the greatest reward? Life is too short not to do things that you love. So what energizes you and keep you passionate? So ano ba yan? Baka yung pa-painting mo dyan, watercolor painting, crafting. Baka you will be able to find your future business with us. So example, ito. This is our anong tawag dyan? Journal. So kinuha lang po natin siya sa cardboard. Tapos yung mga scrap natin na all this paper bag. So ginawa natin na journal page. So baka yan yung future business mo, friend, no? Na magamit mo sa yung umpisahan lang from a habit that you have, or yun nga sabi ko, baka yung mga artwork mo magamit mo rin sa iyong so nakikita natin si Creative Paula in YouTube. So kino-convert niya to artwork yung kanyang mga sketchbook yung mga sketchbook art niya, kino-convert niya into wall painting. So ginagawa niyang business. So friend, baka nasa hobbies mo yung future business mo. So yan, find what gives you energy, what gives you happiness, what gives you passionate. So yan, baka yun na ang future work or business mo nga in your venture to be successful. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.